Finally, nag-open na nga ang pinaka-inaabangan kong shop dito sa Binondo, ang Lucky Yogurt.
Hindi lang kasi ito basta dessert spot. Ang yogurt nila, ginagawa nila mismo from scratch. Yes, dito mismo sa loob. Self-cultured, meaning mas mataas ang probiotic content, higher protein, little to no sugar, at mas magaan sa katawan compared sa most commercial yogurts na nabibili nyo sa grocery. Bakit importante yun? Kapag fresh at self-cultured kasi ang yogurt, mas alive yung good bacteria, which is yung probiotics na tumutulong sa digestion, gut health, at immune system. Most store-bought yogurts are heavily processed, so a lot of those live cultures are already dead by the time you eat them. Dito, fresh talaga. At ang formula nila, no preservatives, zero to minimal sugar level, no artificial additives. So kung health conscious ka or gusto mo lang ng guilt-free na dessert, bagay sa'yo to. Now for their menu, hindi lang healthy, exciting din. May mga yogurt smoothies sila na comes in different flavors. Pero kung gusto mo maging adventurous, try mo yung kale flavor nila. It's one of a kind. Meron din silang yogurt pudding. Super silky smooth yung texture. Pero yung personal favorite ko, yung thick yogurt nila. Grabe, parang cream cheese yung kapal at richness. So good. For the barkada naman, itry nyo yung Yogurt Wonderland Cold Pot. May dry ice effect so hindi lang masarap, Instagrammable pa. At kung solo ka lang, meron silang yogurt bowl version. Para sa lighter options naman, meron silang yogurt sorbet at yung Yakult series refreshers. Sobrang sakto to kasi ang init dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. So matatagpuan ang Lucky Yogurt just across Lucky Chinatown Mall. Dito lang yan sa Davida Street, Binondo, Manila. Open sila daily from 11 AM to 9 PM for now. So next time na mapadpad kayo dito sa Binondo, after usual mami at dimsum, subukan nyo to. Promise ang sarap sa tiyan nito.
Sobrang ganda ng consistency for the taste. Sobrang sarap.
Coverage sila ng consistency ng bawat yogurt from smooth to yung medium, tas meron yung hard. It covers din lahat ng preferences ng potential customers. Like, yung iba kasi hindi naman gusto na sobrang tamis. Yung iba naman gusto maraming sahog. Okay lahat.
Sabi nung isa, it covers everything. Well, this lid covers this.
Speaking of cover, you can find the spoon sa bawat cover ng yogurt cup nila. Galing, no? And another reason ba't ako excited dito, kapit-bahay ko lang sila. So expect na lagi nyo makikita dito, especially pag gabi. So I'll see you around.